What's up, guys? So the time is around 11 o'clock. This is a Saturday, day 2 for Sabakon. Day 1 I didn't record because I was just really tired. But this is a small con, so should be able to cover most of it in the 2 days that we have left. So with that being said, I'll see you guys later. I'm getting to cosplay. This is the outside of Sabakon, the hotel. It is the Alexis Park Hotel. So the con is over there. You guys can see it, it's super bright. So we're staying at the same hotel that the convention's at, so that's really nice. How are you guys doing?
Cold. It's not that cold. Well, I have a scarf.
Alright, so we walked right here down the pool area, and that's the con center right here. You go right in, with your badge, and we go inside the con. So I'm actually here at Sabakon because last year I was here with this guy, Robocat. You guys know his artwork already. So he's gonna go to the restroom. We'll leave him with his duties. But yeah. Alright, so this is the exhibit hall. It's pretty small. They have the artist alley, which is in its own room. This is last year was their first year at Tuscany, but I think that was too spread out, so they came back here. This is the original spot for Sabakon, and this is Saturday, the second day, so there's definitely more people here. Yeah, of course. This is it. Cool. But yeah, there's more people here, and I love the crowd already, the energy. I gotta give it to them though. They have water for their attendees, so that's good. Alright, so that over there was the exhibit hall. If you go across this hallway right here, into this other room over here, this is the artist alley. So let's go see what they have. So this is one of our friends at the artist alley. So how's the crowd from Friday, which is day 1, till today?
Oh, today it's a drastic change. It's actually so much busier today than it was yesterday. A lot of cosplayers, a lot of traffic at artist alley, and a lot of people are stopping by. So it's really good.
You have a good booth. It's like right in the front.
Yeah, it's right here at the door.
And just made like the foam pattern from it. So and then I just like tie it in the back.
Alright, so we're just about done with the artist alley. It's a small little room because it's a small little con, but we're gonna head over to the hentai lounge. I forgot, hentai lounge last year was actually the best part of Sabakon, so we're gonna go over there. I don't know if I can use the camera, but we'll see.
All of it's just foam and then like a plastic.
So this is the front of the Alexis Park Hotel. You guys come in through there, the windows, and go through these lines, and then pick up your badges here. You come down the entrance where you pick up your badge, and you make a right. You come into this little corridor. This is where the hentai lounge is. If you guys look right there. How do you go back to the options? We just finished the hentai lounge. There's 2 rooms. One room was with VR and hentai content you can sell. The other room was the lounge where people were just hanging out watching hentai together. It's interesting. But we're done with that. We're gonna head out to go to the game room. Alright, so this is the gaming room. So it's on the other, there's another room outside the building. So this is it. Everyone's hanging out here. We're gonna pick a spot and play some games. So that was it with the game room. It was really small compared to last year's game room. So I think there's only one thing left to do. So we are in the elevator to go up to the roof. Alright, so this is the roof. It's very nice. It's really bright right now, but it's also very early. So I think at night it would be really nice because you can see all of this rooftop stuff lit. now that the sun's down a little bit, we're gonna go do a shoot with my friend Jamie. So as we walk to our photo shoot destination, I just wanted to share some location spots of this hotel right here. It's nice because it has a CVS, which is about 4 minutes walk away, Dunkin' Donuts, so you can grab your coffee. So that's super convenient. It is a little bit far from the strip, but they do offer shuttle service, so that is nice. That's something you can look forward to at the end of the night for the convention. That's probably what we're gonna do for this night. I don't know if I will vlog most of that for you guys, but I will try to get something for you guys. All right, we're just done with our shoot. It's about, what time is it? 5 o'clock?
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock, it's already dark. All right, so we're back from our dinner break. Just went to grab sushi, it was pretty good. And we're coming back and there's people playing music outside. And I was talking with my friend. She says it reminds us of those good old college day parties. But yeah, we're gonna go check out, what's that called? Dobu? Yeah, the Dobu Lounge. One of our friends from Arizona came with a group of friends that are hosting it, so we'll see what that's about. She said it's really good, so get that for you guys. We're waiting right now to go to the Dobu Lounge.
Hello.
Hi.
Please make me famous. I am good fame.
Yeah. Right here's the line. That door over there is the rave that's going on. There's the Succubus Lounge. That's the theme for the Dobu Lounge. It seems to be really popular because there's a big line right here. So we'll get in and I'll see what I can get for you guys. We're done.
We're all sitting in the same.
And there's Zoe right there. What up? Yeah, we're about done with the hentai lounge thing going on. What's up? Yeah, and then we were going to the rave, but the rave's already closed. It's not one yet. But
I thought it was supposed to end at 1.
we're gonna end the night right here. Vlog. This probably won't make it to the vlog, but how are you guys doing?
Doing good.
Great.
Doing great.
It's like, what time is it? Like
About 2:30.
oh yeah, I know. This is how you do it. Sabakon? This is your first Sabakon?
Second.
Second. How do you like it?
A lot better than the first.
Wait, did you go last year?
Yeah.
Me too.
Really?
Yeah, it was at the Tuscany, no?
Yeah.
Oh, what did you like? Did you like the Tuscany or this one better?
I like this one better.
Oh, really? I like the Tuscany. So up and about, and we're gonna chill and get some drinks. Probably won't make it to the con, but see you guys.
The house smells like everything.